Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Tuteja and welcome to my channel Potential Unlimited. We are still in the midst of this lockdown because of coronavirus, and today I'm going to talk about parenting in this lockdown situation. Now we know that we cannot go out, and most importantly, children should not and cannot go out. How do we manage that? In many places, there is an ongoing online schooling going on. In many places, that's not the case. So, how do you engage your children in these times? And that's what I'm going to talk about. Now, let me tell you first thing first is that the parenting is always evolving. Why it's evolving? Because children grow. They in every 2 or 3 months their need changes, their mental makeup changes, their emotional makeup changes, their physical appearance changes, and also you as an individual also change over a period of time. So parenting is evolving as they grow older. Their need changes, your need changes, and how you can come together as a family unit. So always keeping in mind how they are growing in this lockdown. Now what you can do about being at home all the time. Now I'm also a parent, and I believe that what really works best is following a schedule. When I follow a schedule, starting from the morning, getting up on time, finishing your morning routine, finishing if you're doing prayers, finish all that on time, start your work, let your kids start their homeschooling on time, take the breakfast on time. When you follow a schedule including exercising and all that, it helps you go by your day because you have a purpose that you are following, and that also keeps you motivated. So first thing first, follow a schedule. And most important in this aspect of following a schedule is that children don't follow your advice, they follow you, what you do. So when you follow a schedule, they see it, they see the benefit of it, and they start doing that. Yes, it can be challenging many times in a day, but it's all about doing the right thing at the right time. So that's the first thing. Second thing is the most important thing. If they are into day schooling, after the schooling, what is important? How do you engage them? It's always a good idea to have a conversation about everything, conversation about what's going outside, conversation about what was the best day in their life, or conversation about what's troubling them right now, and things like that. So start a conversation that engages them in every aspects. And the most important thing here is that give them the right information rather than scaring them, because as I told you, set a right example. In this time, what will be important is your positive outlook. So start a conversation, give them positive outlook towards what's happening, making the best out of it. So that's one thing that will be helpful. And it doesn't matter what age group your children are, even if they are as young as 3 years old, starting a conversation with them will be very, very important. Or if they are even 16 for that matter, or 17, start a conversation with them, talk about things, and it will be helpful. It also a good time to bond because now there are no distractions. There is no need to go out. There is no need to do thousands of other activities or plan other activities or get busy on other things. It's a good time to start bonding with your family, and you'll realize that as you do that, your homestay will become quite easy. Provide constructive criticism because being at home on your face all the time, it can be boggling for many of us. So rather than getting into nagging or getting into criticism, give constructive criticism. It's always helpful. And play games. I mean, there is nothing wrong about playing games. Board games are a good way to spend your time, or thousand pieces puzzle. So this is how you can spend your time in a more constructive way in this lockdown. Now, one of the most important aspect of this lockdown is because there is a lack of physical activity, not going out, not walking, not doing your exercise, or if you're gymming outside or going to yoga classing, nothing is happening now, including for your children. And when children go to school, they are so active in the school, going from one class to the other, playing on the playground and all that. Now, what do you do in this case? Engage them in exercise. Set a time for them to follow YouTube or do on their own. Whatever they like to do, let them do it at least 30 minutes in a day, so that their physical activity still goes on, and despite of this lockdown, and they will do it when you follow your routine. So that's again very important. Crafts, oh god, I mean, there are thousands of things you can do in the crafts. So pick up something that is liked by your children, and just go on doing it. Now, reading again, this is a good time to read, because as I said, there are so less distractions, and that's the best way to kind of start getting into the habit of more reading. Now, I will tell you a few more things about the younger children, the children who are especially 1 to 6 years older. Now, 1 to 6 is a too big age group that I'm picking up, but what you can do with them will be applicable to most of that age group. Now, a few things that you can do is engage them in your daily activity. If you're working in kitchen, let them help you, let them do something for you. Engage them in your household chores, because that's the best way to engage them in a conversation, engage them in an activity that will keep them busy. Because that as parents, we don't want to kind of really allow them to be on the screen all the time. So this is how it's the best way to kind of really engage them in the activity. Dance around, just start something on YouTube and dance, and dancing is something they will really enjoy. It doesn't matter whether you can dance or not dance, but it just doesn't matter. Just do it, and they'll enjoy it. It will also provide physical activity. Play catch me if you can, because they love it. They just love doing that. I used to do it for a long time with my kids, and it just doesn't matter, till I think they were 8, 10 or something, and they just loved doing that one. Toys, I mean, there are just thousands of toys lying, board games lying. Just start playing with them. Set up a time. Always follow a schedule. Set up a time, and they'll love it. At this young age, they sleep a lot. They have a schedule, they sleep a lot, and all that. So do your homeschooling with them. Let them sleep, let them eat on time, and play with them on time. Engage them in the whole household activity, household chore, and they'll love it. I'll tell you, I mean, I've done it, and I know they love it. It can be challenging sometimes, they don't want to do it, but that's all right, they'll come around. So these are the few things that you can do as a parent, and I hope you really enjoy watching this video. So see you soon. Until next time, bye bye.